Good evening, everyone. So I welcome you again on this platform of learning French with Dr. Jasprit Khurana. So I welcome Shalini ma'am, Mr. Vivek, Vidushi, Varinder and Nandini on the board. Today we are going to discuss something new that is related to French pronunciations. Okay, so we'll be starting slowly. Let me share my screen and this is, here you go. We'll be starting with the very basics, that is the vowels and the combination of the vowel letters, that is A, E, I, O, U. As you all know that in English we have the vowels A, E, I, O, U. In French we have A, E, I, O, U. H is also a vowel. Okay, so H is also a vowel. So we will be starting with A. In French we pronounce A as A. A. Okay. जैसे कि इन हिंदी में we call it अ से आम, ऐसे ए को we call it as आ. It is actually pronounced more or less like a in father, okay, but with the lips wider in French than in English. Guys, we have to take care that while speaking French, we have to open up your mouth like this, or you have to open up your mouth like this. Okay, so all the French letters will be pronounced like or. Okay, so A is A. A. In English, we say it as A. A. But in French, we call it as A. So you have to open mouth wide. So let me start. This is the French word. Okay. In English, we mean it as nice or pleasant. And in French, we call it as agréable. 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 Okay. A. This is A. This is quatre. Okay, quatre. We have a with us. This is tabac. Tabac. Okay. Then we have this baz. Baz. This is gaz. I'll explain you later on why the sound of Z is coming in this S and other places we pronounce it as S and why I'm not pronouncing this C. These all things will come step by step, but we have to concentrate only on the pronunciation of A right now. Okay. So this is agréable, quatre, tabac, baz, gaz, and this is ba, ba. This is pat, pat. Okay. So guys, you have to see that this is followed by a Z sound. This is followed by a silent S, and this has a circumflex. What do you mean by circumflex? Means that we have to extend this word. For example, if I remove this circumflex from here, I'll speak it as path, path. If I place a circumflex, then it becomes path, path. Okay, th will become small and pa will become big because of this circumflex. Now, A with a grave. Now, what do you mean by grave? Grave is a oxo in French that extends the sound of A, like we call it as A. With a grave, we call it as A, a bit longer. Okay. Let me show you some examples. This is Aj, Am, An, Shato, Pat. Okay. Aj means age. You can simultaneously look up on the meaning of these words. So it will help you to increase your vocabulary as well and how to pronounce the words in French. So this becomes Aj, Am, An, Shatu, Pat. That becomes pastry, kessel, donkey, soul, and age. Now, coming down to the combination of vowels. Okay, combination of vowels can be like this: A-I, A-Y, E-I, or E-Y. Okay, so you might have seen these letters at a number of places. So would like to tell you that they all have the same sound. They all have the same sound. Okay, this gives a A. This is also A. This is also A. And this is also A. For example, see. This is anglais. Anglais. That means English. Frais. That means fresh. Français. That means French. Palais. Palais. That is palace. This is lait. Okay. Ending with AI. This is lait. That becomes milk. Vrai. that becomes true. A say, that becomes trial. Okay, so this is how we pronounce these words. This is with AI with S. This is AI with any consonant. Will give you the same sound. Okay, now moving down. This is AI and AI with the circumflex plus consonant pronounced. Anniversaire. Anniversaire. Okay, this is air. Air. Connaissance. Today in the morning also I told to Vidushi that whenever any N is coming in any of the word, you have to avoid the pronunciation of that N. Like we will not say it like connaissance. जैसे कि हम अभी तक बोलते आ रहे हैं. This is not connaissance. This is connaissance. Connaissance. Like you have to press your nose like this. Ah, ah. This sound will come. Okay. So this is not connaissance. This is connaissance. Okay, this is connaître, connaître. Okay, this is connaître. Then nécessaire, nécessaire. Nécessaire means necessary. Then this is semaine, that is a week. Now moving down to down. Now you might have noticed the words like semaine. Varinder, I think we read it a number of times and we were confused whether to call it as sama or saman or samain. So now we know that we have to call it as samain. We have to call it as nécessaire. We have to call it as connaître, connaissance, anniversaire, air. Okay, this is how we pronounce these words. Now moving down, I'll be giving you a chance to practice also, but let me complete the lecture. Okay. So now we're coming down to the sound of A-I-double-L. In many of the words, you may find A-I-double-L or A-J or A-A-Y. So it gives a sound of I. Okay. So let me move down because A-I has a sound of A and I has a sound of Y. So they together make a sound of I. Okay. Now I'll come to know now that the word was A-I-L-L-E-U-R-S. We call it as ire. Okay, ire. So it is elsewhere or somewhere else or elsewhere. Okay, so this gives a sound of ire. This is assaillant. So I ka sound is again coming. Assaillant means attacker. Then this is pai. What do you mean by pai? Pai means it has come from the English word pipe. That means a straw. In French, we call it as pie. Okay, but we write it as P-A-I-L-L-E. So it looks like we have to speak it pale, but this is not pale. This is pie. This is taille. Taille means size. Like we have done a dialogue with Vidushi and Shalini ma'am, where we were discussing about the size of the garment. That when you want to try, or there the word came taille. Okay, taille means size. This is tailleur. Tailleur means tailor. So taille becomes size and tailleur becomes tailor. Okay. Now this is travailleur. Travailleur means worker. Okay. Travailleur. So it is worker. This is vaillant. Vaillant means brave. Brave boy. Okay. Vaillant garçon. Vaillant fille. Brave boy, brave girl. Now, there is an exception that you have to take care of in case of fair verb, F-A-I-R-E, fair, which means to make, okay, or to do something. In that case, the sound changes and it becomes nous faisons. Nous faisons. Next is je faisais, tu faisais, il faisait, je ferai. Okay. So this is an exception that in case of fair verb, you have to pronounce like this. Now, coming down to again, AI, AY, EI, and EY. We all know that they gives a sound of A. Okay. So let me start. AIDE becomes aid. Next is aigle, air, case. Guys, now you might be wondering why this is case and this is not says. I'll explain it later on. Because of the hard vowel with C, If I'm putting a hard vowel with C, then it will give it a sound of ka. If I'm putting a soft vowel with C, it will give it a sound of sa. So here A is a hard vowel. There are three hard vowels, or I can say three strong vowels. They are A, O, and U. You can note down A, O, and U. And the soft vowels are E, I, and Y. All the sounds with E are soft vowels, and the other vowels with a different sound are A, O, U. Okay, they are all strong vowels. That is why if a strong vowel is coming here, it will give it a sound of case. Case. Guys, don't try to concentrate on this IPA. Okay, good afternoon. Don't concentrate on this pronunciation part. This is something different. Okay, you have to understand what I'm speaking. This is case. Now this is chaise. Chaise we have read number of times when we started A1 with the Apprenons Le Français, book number 1. In the very first chapter, we learned about the chaise. When Varinder was asking that, so what does it mean C-H-A-I-S-E, chaise, or what is this? I told her this is chair. Why the sound was there? This is like chaise. The sound came because of the Z sound. Okay, chaise. Next is éclair. Éclair. Éclair means lightning. Like everything is more than clear. Okay, so that is lightning. Fraise, that means strawberry. Neige, snow. Pain, this is pain. Okay, like in English, this is similar pain. Next is rain. Rain means queen, not a rain. So keep in care, or like you can note down that rain means queen. Okay, coming down to says. Says, that means 16. Now you remember when we learned the numbers from 1 to 20, there I told you that this is says. Says,
Yes, sir.
16. So now next is Soleil. Soleil means sun. Okay, Soleil means sun. This is 13. 13 means 13. 13, 13. Okay. Next is aider, to help. Aimer, to like or to love. This is baigner. This is near sound. Now a new sound has been added, that is GN. GN will give you a near sound. It will come later on in detail. Okay, so this is baigner, to bath. Neiger, to snow. Neige means snow, and to snow means neiger. Now this is maître, maître, and this is chaîne, chaîne. Now these are the ion, ion. I'll be explaining you later on what does this ion means and why we have made this word. Okay, this is a conjugation of avoir verb in different forms. We'll be studying later on. This is essayer. Essayer means to try. Now we have some exceptions as well. P-A-Y-S. You remember I told you that pay means country. So this is not pay. This is pays. Keep in mind, this is pays. Okay, pays. So we call it as pays. That means country. This is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Same as in English. Papaye. Papaye means papaya. Okay, now we have some exceptions also. Railway is railway as in English. Okay is okay as in English. So generally we have read that d'accord is okay, but some of the places we found okay written. So we thought that it is written wrong or there is some misprint, but no. In French, we can use okay as okay. Okay, so this can be used in French language, but you have to use d'accord because that is an official language and this is a type of slang, or we can say not very common. Coming down to E. Now this is all about the vowel A. Jumping towards the next vowel, that is E. And in the very first class, when I was teaching about the letters of French language, there I told you that we have some exchange alphabets. We have some alphabets with A sound. So this is the exchange alphabets. A ko we say A, and to E we speak it as A. So they have some exchange sounds, A and A. So this E is A. Moving down. If I put a aigu over this, it becomes A, like EZ, ER. If I put a double E, then also it gives the sound of A. Okay, if I want to change the sound of E and I put a oxo over it, then it gives it a sound of A. Okay, A, and A. And if I put a graph, then it gives it a sound of A, like in mar, pair, we have seen. Okay, so this is how we can find changes with E. Now moving down. Okay, for example, with C and E gives a sound of sir. Now you remember I told you that if it would have been CA, then it will give a sound of ka, but it is CE, so we have to give it a sound of sir. Sir. This is the. This is je. This is lo. Now you remember why this is lo? Because we have a E with it and it gives it a sound of a. So sa, the, je, and lo. Moving down, this is ma, na, ka, sa, ta. Now remember when we studied about jama pel, tuta pel, I told you that this is ma. Why this was ma? Because it has a E at its end. So it is giving it a sound of a. And this is why this is ka, because it is having again E at the end. And E becomes ka, not ku. Now coming down, this is janu. Janu. Janu means knee. Okay. This is sakre. This is not sikre or sakre or sukre. This is sakre. Sakre means secret. This is samen. Now again this samen is coming. Now you know that how to pronounce it very clearly. This is samen. So this means a week. Now we are coming down to consonant 1, consonant 2 and E. Vowel 1, consonant 1 and E. This means consonant 1, consonant 2. There are 2 consonants and E. Then 1 vowel and 1 consonant and E. Moving down. C before E. Okay. This is, for example, nu, prano, notre, rapa, zisi. This is liaison here. Okay. After S, vowel is coming. So we have to pronounce it as nu, prano, notre, rapa, zisi. Nu, prano, no, rapa, zisi. These are all the sounds of E mostly. So un, tranche, de pomme. This is the. Un quartier de pomme. Je mange de la dinde. Je prends de la dinde. Les jours de la semaine. Okay, this is how we pronounce them. Coming down to more E's with the aigu. This is amitié. We have a sound because it is having an aigu. Amitié, cinéma, clé, été, fiancé, génial, métier, société, téléphone. Okay. This is université. Okay, guys, I'm just moving bit on a faster pace because we want to save time and we want to cover a lot of things. And we are even recording this session, so there is no problem in revising anytime, anywhere. Okay, I'll be sharing the recording with you guys. You can revise it anytime. Now coming down to the sound of EZ, it becomes she. Okay, this is ne. Ne means nose. This is not nace as we studied in the first part. Naze. No, this is ne. She.
So
means
why will we not pronounce the Z?
I'm explaining you slowly. Just keep on listening. Everything will come. Okay. This is an exception. Okay. In case of nose, we are not pronouncing Z. So this is an exception. We pronounce it as ne. Okay. This is she. Now moving down. This is chercher. Like, see, because I'm not responding your questions and not allowing you to ask the questions because there are a lot of exceptions which will be coming slowly. And then you'll come to know, okay, this was the reason. Okay, this was the reason. But right now I can't answer to every question. I know that there are a lot of questions coming. Why this is she? Why this is ne? There is no reason to why. This is a part of a language. Like in English, we say this is the table. Why table? Because we have to pronounce it as table. It has a sound. But in case of ne, it is exception. Honest. H is silent. Why H is silent? We have like some places we speak H, some places we don't speak H. Somewhere they are spoken even if they are mute. So let us move further. So this is chercher, chercher, manger, manger, danger, parler. Okay, this is ane, ane. Now, Varinder, you remember when there was double E, I told you that this is ane, ane. Okay, this is ane. Army, army is army. Durée, durée is duration. Journée, journée is day or daytime. Next, this is affair, affair. This is efficace, efficace. Why cas? Because strong vowel is coming with C. So this is ka. And why sir? Because a soft vowel is coming with E. Okay, with C here. So this is efficace. Ara. Okay, this is ara. This is essence. Essence. This is essentiel. 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 This T has a S sound in French at many places. Okay. This is ane. Ane. This is not hene. This is ane. H is silent. But you guys, you know, some places will pronounce H. That is known as the aspirated H. It will be coming further in my next class. This is the sa. The sa. Okay. This is parasa. Parasa. Okay. Next is parasuse. Parasuse. Now we have an exceptional. This is L. Okay. This is L. L. Sorry. L. Okay. There is no aigu. There is no graph. But then also it is not L. This is L. So this is an exception. Without a aigu or a graph, E is giving a sound of L. Now why it is giving a sound of A? Nobody knows. We have to learn it like this, that this is L. That is why it is written in exceptions. There is no reason to it. Or the person who has made the language, he gave the reason. So we can find him off and we can ask him why you made this. Next is evenement. This is evenement. Evenement. That is event. This is venerie. Venerie means hunting. Okay. So this is we have done. Moving down. This is colleague. Guys, some places we call G as J, but some places we call G as G. So this is the place when it is it is preceding a consonant and vowel E, it gives a sound of G. So this becomes colleague. This is mare, as I told you before. This is pair. Okay. This is premiere. Premiere. Now, guys, this is après. In the very first class, we learned about bon après midi. So this is the après, why it is called as après. This is décès. Décès, that is death. Nowadays, it is happening a lot. Now, next is de. De. This is exprès. Exprès. This is pré. Pré. This is progrès. Progrès. This is succès. 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 Remember, this is not succès. This is succès. This is très. Très joli. Très bien. So très bien. Okay. This is très, not très bien. Très bien. We should speak très bien, not très bien. Okay. So next. Okay. This is E with two consonants. Okay. Let us start. Architecture. Architecture. Next is baguette. Baguette. Chercher. Commerce. Commerce. Not commerce, sorry. This is commerce. This is direct. Direct. Again, this is L. L. This is español, not español. This is español. Esperere. Esperere. Sorry, I'm very sorry. This is espere. Espere. Okay. This is espoir. Espoir. This is esprit. Lecture. Maître. Naturel. Politesse. Okay. This is reine. This is set. Text. Université. Université. vitesse, voyelle, voyelle. Okay, are you getting my point, everyone? Yes, here we take a stop for a while and I'll be asking you the questions. Okay, let me stop the recording and I'll be continuing this pronunciation part in the next recording again. Au revoir to my viewers.